rev up your engines. Before I started my YouTube channel 11 years ago, I used to do a TV gig. I did that on CBS TV for a couple of decades, and people are always saying, Scotty, whatever happened to those old videos you did? Well, I dug around in my messy garage and found a bunch of these old videos. So here's some old school Scotty. I'll tell you where all the cowboys have gone. They've traded in their cowboy hats for motorcycle helmets. You notice they're still black, and they've traded their horses in for motorcycles. But it isn't just the cowboys who've gone to motorcycles. Hey, it's the cowgirls too. Over 35% of motorcycle drivers today are women. And there's a technological reason for some of this. In the olden days, when dinosaurs roamed the earth and I was a young man, these old motorcycles took a lot to start. You needed big boots, a strong leg to kick these starters over. And if that engine backfired like they used to every once in a while, the kickstarter could come up and break your leg. But with these modern day bikes, hey, all you need to do is push a button to start them. That's it. Now I know a lot of you are going to say, hey, it's an expensive hobby, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. To start with, insurance is very cheap for motorcycle. It cost me $65 to insure both of these motorcycles. That's not $65 a month, that's $65 a year for both motorcycles. And if you want to really save money, don't buy a new motorcycle, buy a used motorcycle. Now when you buy a used car, you often worry you're getting somebody else's problems, which may be true. But with motorcycles, sometimes it's the opposite. They run so good, they've scared the previous owners or injured them, so they sell them really cheap. This particular motorcycle I bought for $2,500 from a salvage lot where the original owner was in a hospital. Now if you're into old classic motorcycles like this Norton, hey, motorcycles are basically toys for most people. This thing is 30 years old and it's only got 5,600 miles on it. And there's a whole host of reasons that people are selling good motorcycles. Hey, when somebody gets married and the stork is ready to arrive, the first thing to go is usually the motorcycle. Pick up a good motorcycle from somebody who probably took loving care of it. So if you're wondering where all the cowboys have gone, just listen for their lonesome wail.
Lucky me, I found the way it pays. Living like I love it on my lazy days.
No, not that lonely wail. This lonely wail. Hey, why have one horse when you can have 100 horses? It's the Scotty Kilmer helping you. Crank it up. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.